I'm Dr. Brian Nichol, your cannabis expert for CannabisExpertMD.com, with a music and cannabis pairing for the Wendy Love Edge Show. Wendy's musical guest this week is Jackie Darlene. Now, she's a native Texan, singer, songwriter, and musician. She picked up a guitar at the age of 12 along with a little instruction book, taught herself how to play guitar. She's been writing songs and performing ever since. She certainly has a genetic predisposition for music. Her grandfather's a legendary country songwriter and musician, Whitey Schaefer. You might remember a song, All My Exes Live in Texas. That's one of Whitey's compositions. Jackie carries on with the family country music tradition. I listened to her cut, Why Do I Cry? Now, this is a country song about another heartbreak and the difficulty of moving on yet again. Jackie plays guitar, of course, and sings. She's backed by a very, very competent band, very well-performed tune, very well-recorded, too. Her powerful voice is filled with the emotion and angst that we all feel as far as heartbreak goes at one time or another in our lives. For this, I was selecting a relaxing strain that would allow you to perhaps sit back with a drink that will kind of tame the anxiety and stress that you might feel as you recall your own heartbreaks. For this, I selected, based on the cannabinoid terpene profiles to me as always, Natural State Medicinal's Glue Ball. Now, Glue Ball is a potent strain at 23% THC, just a little trace THC showing. Looking at the terpene profile, as always do to flesh out the headspace, it is potent at 3.81% total terpenes. It is heavily myrcene dominant at 1.16%. Beta-caryophyllane's up next at 0.82, terpinolene at 0.76. Limonene and linalool are tied at 0.36% each. Humulene comes in at 0.23 and a little bit of pinene at 0.1%. Now, Glue Ball should give you a very indica-like effect. The myrcene and high THC will give an initial, very quick, kind of a cerebral effect before it settles in with the terpinolene, linalool to kind of give a very chill base. The limonene and beta-caryophyllene, that'll kind of help with any anxiety and depression symptoms you're having. Now, Glue Ball should be just the ticket to really kind of tame any kind of anxiety that you're having or stress listening to this particular song. It should be real chill at low to moderate doses. Will be decidedly sleepy at the higher dose range. It should be just the thing that will tame the effects of emotion as you contemplate, why do you cry? For more information on all things medical cannabis, check us out at CannabisExpertMD.com. We're also available on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under Cannabis Expert MD. And now I present to you Jackie Darling with Why Do I Cry?
And I'm doing my best to pretend like you're not on my mind, 'cause I know that I'm not on yours. You've got a careless and crazy heart. I'm sorry I can't play the part. A girl like me can't fake a smile when she's not so sure. Why do I cry every time? It's never been easy to say goodbye. It's hard to let go when we both know my heart's on the line. Why do I cry? time. It's never